Number 1. To number 18. Number 18. Lumira. No good. Rebound. Out of bounds. Number 5 to number 93, no good. Rebound by number 17. Number 17. Number 17. 17 again. Nakuha ng foul. Number 93. Number 93, first personal foul, first team foul. Number 1. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Same ball. 6 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds. 5. Number 17. Rebound. Number 5. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Still with number 18. Pass to number 1. Number 1, pump to Mira. Easy, 2-4. Number 5. Dribble the ball. Number 5 to number 21. Number 21, nakuha ng foul. Counted. Galing by number 21. Foul number 8. Number 8, first personal foul, first team foul. Number 17, dribble the ball, pass number 1. Number 1 to number 18. Nakuha ng traveling violation. Number 93 to number 5. To number 14 sa ilalim. Rebound again to number 14. Easy to point. Number 1 to number 18. No good. Rebound by number. Alley-oops ball. 12 seconds shot clock. Number 6 to number 17. Number 17, 10 seconds shot clock. No good. Rebound by number 23. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Easy to goal. Number 1. Dribble the ball. To number 6. Number 6. Humira. No good. Rebound by number 8. To number 6. To number 17. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 5. Number 5. Sa ilalim, nag-isa. No good. Rebound by number 93. Number 93 to number 14. To number 5. Number 5. Easy basket by number 5. Number 1. Dribble the ball. Number 1 to number 18. Number 6 to number 8. Pop! Natakuha ng foul. Foul number 93. Second personal foul. Second team foul. No good. Rebound by number 5. Number 5. To number 14. 14. Sa ilalim. Lumira, no good. Rebound again to number 14. Nakuha na. Foul. Foul number 8. Foul number 8. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Official score 9-5 in favor of Ensure Shoot. Number 14, basket. Number 17 to number 8. Number 8 to number 17. To number 18. For three. No good. Rebound by number 14. Number 93 to number 21. Number 21. Pass number 5. Pop. Not again. Still by number 17. Number 17. Number 17. Naiwan na bola. Again, number 17. Number 17. No good. 10 seconds shot clock. No good. Two shot ball. Number 21. Number 21. Again, the ball letter 6. Number 21. Number 21 out of bounds. Number 6 to number 18. Number 18. Number 18 to number 1. Number 1 to number 8 to number 18 to number 17. Number 17. 7 seconds shot clock. Nakuha ng foul. Galing kay number 5. First personal foul. 30 foul. 14 seconds shot clock. Number 8. Number 17. No good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14 to number 5. Napalakas. Out of bounds. Change time. Time out. Ensure shot. Remaining 5 minutes and 17 seconds. Official score 11-5 in favor of Ensure Shots. Number 0 to number 40, to number 16, to number 40, to number 0, to number 16, number 16, to number 40, number 40, number 40, 10 to shoot, number 16, for 3, no good. Rebound by number 16 to number 3, number 3, number 3, ginagawa number 40, pass number 4 to Mira, no good. Rebound by number 40, number 40, pass number 16, number 1, no good. Rebound again by number 40, number 40, pass number 16, 10 seconds shot clock. Number 44, pass number 40 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 16, number 77, number 77. Pass to number 3. Number 3 ginagawa number 0. Pass to number 16. 10 seconds shot clock. Pass to number... No good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14. Pass to number 44. Number 44. No good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 19. Pop. Number 19, nakuha na foul! Galing kay number 0. Number 0, first personal foul, third team foul. Time remaining 3 minutes and 43 seconds. Official score 11-5 in favor of Ensure Shots. Second attempt, no good. Rebound by number 3. Number 3, pass to number 19, foul. Nakuha ulit ng foul galing kay number 19. Number 19, first personal foul, warning for penalty. First shot, basket is good. Second shot, basket is good. Number 0, dribble ball. Number 0, pass to number 16. For 3, no good. Rebound by number 3. Number 3, steal by number 16. Number 16, pass to number 44. Number 44 to number 14. For 3, basket is good by number 14. Number 77. Number 77. To number 19. To number 3. To number 4. Babawi ata. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 0. Nakuha ng foul. Foul number 4. Number 4. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Number 16 to number 14 to number 0 to number 16. 10-second shot clock, number 44, sa gitna, no good. Rebound by number 19. Number 19, pass to number 3. Number 3, nakuha na. Listen. Number 44, pass to number 0. Number 0, dribble the ball. To number 14. Number 14 to number 0. To number 19. Number 19, nakuha ng traveling violation. Number 19 to number 77. Number 77. Number 4 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 40 again. Number 40. Number 40. Pass to number 44. Out of bounds. Ensure shots ball. Number 77. Dribble the ball. Time remaining 1 minute exactly. Traveling violation. Number 14, pass number 16, 45 seconds. Number 16, foul number 77, blocking foul. Penalty, ref, penalty. Time remaining 40 seconds. First shot by number 16. No good. Second shot. No good again. Rebound by number 16. 35 seconds. Number 19. Steal by number 0. Number 0 again shot. On a nice shot by number 0. Warning number 13 for delaying the game. Number 3. Dribble the ball. 20 seconds. Steal by number 0 again. Basket is good by number 0.